Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent English. I am beginner of speaking English. Before watching this video, I want you to do something. Try speaking English continuously just for 30 seconds. No stopping, no translating, no thinking in Hindi. Can you do it? Most people can't. Not because their English is bad, because they practice English in the wrong way. So today I'll show you 5 simple habits that can completely change your way of speaking English. So let's start with habit number 1. Habit number 1 is think in English. This is the habit that changed everything for me. Most English learners make one mistake. They think in their native language first and then they translate. For example, you see a glass of water and your brain think मुझे पानी पीना है and then it tries to translate. I want to drink water. So this extra step makes your speaking slow and stressful. Instead, think directly in English. Right now, look around your room and say, "This is my phone. This is my phone. I am sitting on chair. The fan is moving." So start with simple sentences like this. You have to try like a child. Don't try to think in English like a Shakespeare. Spend just 5 minutes daily doing this. Your speaking speed will gradually improve. So habit number 2 is talking to yourself. Wait before you think, this sound weird, hear me out. Have you ever practiced an argument in your head before talking to someone? Most people do. So you already talking to yourself and now you have to try it in English. So you can practice it like this. When you wake up in morning, you can say good morning and I am brushing my teeth, I am making tea. So goal is movement. Goal is practice to talk yourself. You don't need perfect grammar and speaking is like muscles. The more you use it, the more strong it become. So nobody become great singer by thinking about singing. They become great singer by singing. So same it applies in speaking English. You will become great speaker when you speak it. Habit number 3 is copy native speakers. This habit is like secret shortcut. So by copy native speaker, you can learn exact pronunciation, speed and emotion. Think of it like learning a dance move. You can't learn a dance move by reading instruction. You learn dance by copying. So language works in same way. Habit number 4 is read aloud every day for 10 minutes. So most people read silently but it do not help in speaking English. So you should try to read aloud every day for 10 minutes. It train your mouth to become comfortable with English sounds. The more comfortable your mouth becomes with English sounds, the more natural you will speak. Habit number 5 is stop being afraid of making mistakes. This habit may be the most important one. Let me ask you a question. When a baby say a word incorrectly, do people laugh and tell to the baby stop speaking? No. Everyone encourage the baby because mistakes are part of learning. But suddenly, when adults learn English, they expect perfection. That's impossible. The truth is, every fluent speaker has made thousands of mistakes. Yes, thousands of mistakes. But the difference is they kept speaking. Remember this, you don't become fluent, then start speaking. You start speaking, then you become fluent. That's how it works. English is not learned in a notebook. English is learned in real life. So think in English, talk to yourself, copy native speaker and read out loud and stop fearing mistakes. Follow these 5 habits for next 30 days. I promise you will be surprised by how much your English speaking improves. And now tell me in comment section which habit are you going to start today. And if you found this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'll help you to speak English confidently, one step at a time. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will meet you in next video.